Now we are going to install Autopsy. Just go to the Google and type Autopsy Digital Forensic, and then click on the download. Start the download. Since I already downloaded this file earlier, so let's go find it and then run. Wait for it to install. And finish. That's it. You have Autopsy. Let's try to run this one. Then you have Autopsy installed. That's it.